Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use the BandLab application to start making music right on your phone. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet, then open the Play Store and download source for the BandLab application, or you can go to the BandLab website. Go type in your browser bandlab.com and simply open and log into your account. After you have installed on your Play Store or App Store, make sure to open it. Then it will ask to sign into your account. You can choose Facebook account or any Google account. Now, after you have created your BandLab account, you will see this kind of interface. You will see trending videos and you will see the music communities and other. Here, click on the plus icon. Now you can create your own beat. From here, you can import a file or record your own audio or voice. I'll simply click on import file. Here you can import the file and the track will be imported. Now to change the beat of the track, you need to press the track, then you will see the effects option. Click on that. Click on effects option. Here you will see the many trending effects. You can select it, any effect, and auto pitch it. Here you can turn it on and you can change the pitch of the audio or track. You can set it as major, minor, however you like, duet, and if you are done, simply play your track. After you have done pitching, you can also add the sound or music from here. These are the BandLab sounds, which are completely free and easy to use. Or you can go to my sounds and select it from the folder that you have. When you are happy with your track, tap save. If you are happy with the track, you can download it from at the top right corner from here and share it on your BandLab profile, or even invite friends to collaborate in real time. And that's it. That's how you use the BandLab app to make your own music. This was helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.